Okay, this is Old Rusty Krusty. Azara christened him with this name. He started out as an Avion liquor box, aluminum foil, and paper towel soaked in glue. That's how you get these rigids. And 3 different coats of paint: black, brown, touch of rusty orange. And his fingers are dipped in blood. And he has a crow on his head. There's another on the tree. And there's the black cat, which I made from my Cricut machine. And he got 3 legs. Yep. He is not rooted. He wants to get up and walk around. Oh, Rusty Cressy can seek you out in your worst nightmare.